We didn't say hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
What you got?
We didn't say hello.
Yeah, you got it.
Hi guys, we're back again with a new video for the autumn, trying autumn snacks with this lovely boy here. I have a bunch of snacks down there. We're gonna rate them, see what they're like, have a bit of commentary. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully I enjoy everything. We'll see. Ah! Oh my god, so cute.
Thank you, baby.
Who's this baby? Who is it?
You like more?
Yeah. See, I want to bite his face.
No.
Can we bite together?
No, I want to eat chocolate. Please.
It's good.
How much?
200 yen from Lawson. How much, baby, do you give it? This is a special edition, guys. You won't find this very often in Lawson, which is like a local superstore, a bit like 7-Eleven. How much, babe?
6.
A 6? It's good. Yeah, it's really soft and
I want
squeezy.
chocolate.
I know. All right.
8.
Okay.
Chocolate?
No. Pringles. It's a special smoky cheese. Smoky cheese. I can read. Ooh, it doesn't smell. Try one, please. You like it?
No, but
How much?
6.
6. It's so. But what's this fish, babies?
I don't know. Iwashi.
Oh,
Your time.
sorry. Oh, that smell though. You like that?
I think this beer is better.
With beer? How much? These are hard as hell, man.
6.
No, these are like a 3. They're so boring.
Okay.
They barely taste like fish. I want something that kicks me in the face.
Fish. Nugget.
That's not funny. I'm not putting it in. This is another popular thing during autumn time is
Baby,
potato.
after you open, you usually eat all of it.
Slowly.
Okay.
You're rude. I'm putting that in. These are purple.
Gummy.
This doesn't look good. I think this is sweet potato, guys, which a lot of people in Japan eat.
Chocolate.
Yeah, it's not bad actually. I'm surprised. Babe, I tried McDonald's sweet potato. It was disgusting. Milkshake. Have you tried it? Don't try it. It's disgusting.
Oh. Actually, I don't like
You don't like it?
taste and beans.
3. Another sweet potato thing, but I think these ones will be quite nice in general. Autumn, guys. Ooh, these look nice. These are all right. They're very light and fluffy, and it's a bit sweet, but not overpowering. Oh shit! Oh, I lost it. I'll still eat it. 5-second rule.
I've eaten before.
Have you? Okay. How much do you like it, babe? What number? 6. I agree.
No.
How do I eat this? It's a persimmon, guys. These are really popular. This is homegrown though.
Yeah, kaki.
Kaki?
You have to.
Do I peel it? Can you try and peel it while I'm getting?
No.
Why?
I just eat, babe.
Why? You allergic?
No, this is like apple, baby. You should cut.
I have to cut it? Taki said I should cut it like an onion. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, you're laughing at
Be
me?
careful.
I'm gonna be careful, don't worry. This is a persimmon. They're really, really popular during the autumn time in Japan. They usually look very, very orange, but I got this one for free and I ain't spending no more money. So, oh, the inside kind of looks like that, nice and orange inside.
No, babe.
What?
I can't eat here, babe.
Oh,
Please.
okay, I don't know. Sorry, babe, why are you having a go at me? Okay, hold on.
Be careful, babe.
It's okay, I'm an adult.
Bad.
Here. Wait. Why are you shouting at me?
Be careful, man.
It's okay. He's worried about me. Right, hold on. God, Jesus. Ready?
Careful, okay.
Yes, it's okay. Oh, it's crunchy.
I know.
It's very mild but sweet. Crunchy like I'm weird.
Bad, you're so bad.
I'm doing it in a weird style. But do you want more?
No.
It tastes like I don't know. What fruit does it taste like?
Kaki.
It tastes like nectarines, a little bit. Like the texture, it's very hard and crunchy, but it's kind of sweet. It's really nice actually. It doesn't taste like an orange. It's not like citrusy. It's nice though. I like persimmons. I'm a fan. There we go. How much do you give it?
5. No more.
I give it a 7.
Oh really?
I really like persimmons. I think these are good. I love fruit though. Here is something else that is sweet potato, but they're cookies. Very interesting. I don't know why they're called cookies. Oh, they're soft.
But thick, right? Like
It's a bit like a cake. A sweet potato cake, but it tastes a bit like cinnamon. I don't hate it. 5? What do you give it?
5.
I think it has real pieces of them.
Hello?
Stop looking! Real pieces of sweet potato. Oh!
Good taste. Oh, I.
Focus on me. Focus!
No, but.
Oh.
Yes.
Sorry. So simple. Chestnut. Chestnut's another popular thing to eat in the autumn time. This is going to be like a mochi, which is like a soft, floury
I like
outside and maybe a chestnut inside.
8.
We haven't even tried it yet. Oh. Is it good? Is it? Oh my god.
Actually, my favorite. Uncle, but.
There's freaking anko inside. There's a chestnut inside, guys. Can you see it? It's alright, the chestnut makes it better.
6.
Nothing says autumn like pumpkin. Especially Halloween pumpkin edition from Lawson. A pumpkin pudding drink.
Pudding.
Pudding. You like pudding?
Oh, you read, baby.
Thank you.
You understand.
In English. Anyway.
But.
What the f is that? That's real pumpkin.
This is not a drink, right?
It says pudding.
No, baby.
I'm trying to taste it.
I know.
I'm sorry. Should I put this in the microwave? Is it a soup? It says pudding. Pudding's usually a sweet, like a dessert.
Yeah.
That is disgusting. I give it 0. What do you give it?
No, 0, 2.
2?
I'm kind.
0. This is disgusting. Don't try it. I was gonna.
10.
That's not part of what. I'm sorry, babe. KitKat edition chestnut, because we love chestnuts here in Japan. Oh, it already smells good. I'm excited.
Just one?
You want the whole thing?
No.
Do you want it? You can. You want it?
After.
Special KitKats are the I think so. Cheers. I like it, but
Normal is better.
it tastes not really. It tastes like white chocolate a bit, mixed with a little bit of a nut flavour. I like it. I give it a
Sorry.
6.6.5.
Oh, disappointed.
Really, a 4? Okay.
This is delicious, but I thought I think KitKat is more delicious always.
Oh right, the normal one is better.
Matcha?
No. This is a special Starbucks that you can get only in the supermarket. You can't actually get it at the Starbucks store. It's caramel chestnut latte and it's autumn edition. You can see like the mini chestnuts on there. I'll show you a bit later anyways.
You should buy matcha.
Matcha's every time in the year.
No, autumn.
Matcha isn't, baby. Why is he trolling you guys? Don't listen to him. He's Japanese, but don't listen to him. I don't like coffee, usually, but this has got a nice caramel flavour. I can't taste the chestnut. Can you taste?
No.
The chestnut. Can you taste caramel?
Zero. I don't know.
I give this a 7 if you are a coffee drinker. I think this is quite nice, but I don't usually like coffee. Yeah, I know you can see it. You can see it, right?
Let's eat, babe.
Oh, should I tell them?
Yeah.
You want me to tell them? Yeah, can I?
No,
Sorry, oh, I'm opening it already. This boy's favourite, Choco Pie. but this is a special edition chestnut choco pie. So let's hope it doesn't disappoint us. You like chocolate pie so much, right? You can have one on your own. I got the golden tickets. Itadakimasu. It's just chocolate in it. It doesn't taste of anything like the inside.
No, but I think inside cream is maybe what's that?
Chestnut.
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 Yeah, I think cream is this.
Oh, it's boring. I'm kind of disappointed. 6. Right. 7. Because you like chocolate pie.
Oh, cream that.
Yeah, shoe cream. This boy loves shoe cream. This is from Okmart. It's a special Halloween edition. Yeah, I think this might be pumpkin. I'm not sure. Oh, it smells good. You can have the first bite. Go for it. Make a big bite. Big bite, baby. Go, go. Go. What's inside? Is it good? Is it good? Chestnut? Normal cream?
I don't know.
It tastes like pumpkin.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah.
That was really big. It's like, you are not getting the rest.
Oh, no.
Yeah, can you see it? Can you see the orange stuff there? I don't think I recorded. Oops.
Fake. Okay.
Not fake. If you couldn't tell, he really enjoyed the shoe cream. He said 8. Anyways, guys, that is the autumn edition finished for us. Wait on it for the winter edition. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media. Instagram, Facebook, and show us some love down below in the comments. What would you like to try and what's your autumn snack where you're from? I'd love to know. Anyways, guys, I'll see you next time. Faito.
頑張って.
Peace.
And
Love.
bye bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.